Welcome to the Carriage Commercial Systems video tutorial series for Vast Online. Vast Online now offers a seamless data stream to QuickBooks accounting software. Previously, Vast Online data would need to be manually exported to QuickBooks. This new integration means that transaction data can be automatically sent to QuickBooks as soon as it's created. This video walks you through integrating Vast Online with QuickBooks. The following settings must be configured in your QuickBooks account before integrating with Vast Online. Once logged into your QuickBooks account, click the gear icon, then click Account and Settings. In the Account and Settings menu, adjust the following settings. In Advanced Chart of Accounts, make sure Enable Account Numbers is set to On. Click Save. In Advanced Other Preferences, set the Warn Me when I enter a bill number that's already been used for that vendor to Off. Within this submenu, set the option Warn if duplicate journal number is used to Off. Click Save. And if you have multiple locations, then allow for the tracking of transactions for multiple stores. In Advanced Categories, set Track Locations to On. Click Save. With these settings in place in QuickBooks, we'll now make some setting changes in Vast Online. In Vast Online, click the Maintenance menu from the vertical toolbar. Under the Service Integrations heading, click Service Integration. In the Integrations menu, select Account Integrator from the Integrations dropdown. Select QuickBooks from the Integration dropdown. Click Integrate. You will now be prompted to confirm that you wish to integrate with QuickBooks. Click Yes. You will be required to sign into QuickBooks. Sign in with your user ID and password. Select Connect to connect QuickBooks with Vast Online. Once your integration with QuickBooks is established, you'll be prompted to sync your GL codes and vendor accounts. Select Yes. After your first sync is successful, click OK. In the Integrations menu, your integration status should change to Enabled. You'll also see your transmission type. There are two possible transmission types, batch and automatic. The batch transmission type means that transactions will only be transmitted to QuickBooks when you click Transmit in the Holding Area tab of the Accounts Integration menu. The automatic transmission type means that transactions will be instantly transmitted to QuickBooks as soon as they are created. Select Swap Transmission Type and choose Automatic. Your Vast Online account should be integrated with your QuickBooks account. Once integrated with QuickBooks, it's advised to send a test transaction to QuickBooks to ensure a successful setup. In Vast Online, open a work order for a house account. In the work order, add a product for 0462 and 5 zeros. A miscellaneous service parts charge should be added to the work order. Add 1 penny for this charge in the unit column. Invoice the work order and pay with cash. Now, let's log into QuickBooks and check to see that the transaction was sent successfully. Click the magnifying glass to view your recent transactions and see that your 1 cent transaction was transmitted successfully. Take note of the transaction's invoice number. We'll use that to perform a credit for this transaction. Now, let's perform a credit memo to balance out this test transaction. In Vast Online, click the POS icon from the vertical toolbar. Under the Work Orders and Invoicing heading, click Credit Reissue Invoice. Use the invoice number to search for your test transaction. Highlight the transaction, then click Credit. Select Cash as your payment type and click Save. When asked if you're going to reissue the work order, click No. You've now set up and tested Vast Online's connection to QuickBooks. Once you've integrated with QuickBooks, it's important to periodically ensure that your transactions are being sent successfully. In Vast Online, click the Accounts Receivable icon from the vertical toolbar. Then, under the Accounts Maintenance heading, click Accounts Integration. Any transactions that are unable to be transmitted to QuickBooks will display here. If you encounter any transactions in the Summary tab that have not been successfully transmitted, contact Vast Online support. Thank you for watching.